Makiria ma Kenya mirioni imwe ni matanyitwo kugunika na tabarira cia ugima wa mwiri githomo ndumwe na kumahura njeki muturire-ini kuhitukira gikundi kia SAFARICOM Foundation. Niguo gukinyaniria tabarira ici gikundi giki nikiigite keheri-ini ciringi mirioni 210 iria ikuhuthika tabarira-ini ino kuria muingi kuma matura-ini matiganite ukugunika guothe bururi-ini.
It has been a great joy to see lives being transformed because of the little contribution that we make in support of their ongoing activities. Last year, we put in 100 million, and out of this 100 million, we supported about 299 projects across the country.
Murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya SAFARICOM Peter Degwa augite tabarira cia NDOTO ZETU na USAMARIA wema ire na muoroto wa kwambatiria gikiro kia miikarire ya AKENYA.
Wants to continue to celebrate with Kenyans and to improve the lives of Kenyans in every small way we can by giving back and also acknowledging that there's much more you can do beyond all the profits that we make.
We thank you for your partnership. We thank you even for the continued support that you've given us. We know you support even other facilities including Bagathi.
Oho gikundi giki nikiigite keheri-ini ciringi mirioni 50 rungu rwa tabarira ya PAMOJA scheme iria itanyitwo guteithiriria aruti a wira kambuni ya SAFARICOM gwikuruhania na tabarira cia matura cia gukuria muingi.